Struggling with stubborn jars, bottles, or cans shouldn't rob anyone of their independence, especially seniors, arthritis warriors, or those with low hand strength. Meet the Ottstar jar opener, your ultimate 6-in-1 kitchen superhero designed to conquer even the tightest lids, 1 to 3 inches, and ring-pull cans with zero frustration. Watch the before struggle vanish. Its extra-long handle delivers unbeatable leverage, while the rubber-lined grips clamp onto lids like a vice. No slips, no straining, just smooth, satisfying twists. Glowing Star, this genius gadget features 8 specialized openings for all lid sizes, plus hooks to break airtight seals on large containers, all in one sleek, food-safe tool. See it in action, compact enough to hang or tuck away, effortless to clean, and built to last. It's not just a time saver, it's dignity restored in seconds. Blue Heart, perfect for gifting loved ones, think mom, grandpa, or friends battling jars. This little blue and gray hero turns daily battles into joyful victories. Ready to reclaim your kitchen confidence? Check the video description for the purchase link. If this solution speaks to you, please like, subscribe, and share this video. It helps our channel keep sharing life-changing gadgets. Transform I can't into I did today.